guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my 2019 fall makeup tutorial. So I do this every year since I've started my channel really. So yeah, this is just going to be my take on a fall makeup tutorial this year. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to use my NYX First Base Primer Spray. Then for primer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover primer, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques stippling brush. Okay, so for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Full Coverage Long Wear Foundation in the shade 10 Porcelain, and I'm going to apply it with my Morphe M439 brush. Okay, now for concealer, I'm taking a mixture of the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in the shade Fair. And I'm also going to take the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm going to blend that in then with my Real Techniques contour brush. Now to set my face, I'm going to use the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder in Transparent. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Small Tapered brush. Then I'm going to take my You Spicy 31 brush to set the rest of my face. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my eyes, so I'm going to zoom you in. Okay, so today I'm going to be using a Morphe palette. I'm going to be using the 35F Fall Into Frost palette because look at those colours. Gorgeous. Okay, so using a Morphe R37, I'm just going to take this first shade and I'm pretty much going to apply that mainly in the crease but a little bit of everywhere as well. I'm then going to go in with a third shade in on the same brush and do the exact same thing but focusing it on the crease and the outer corners as well, obviously. Now we're starting to look more like autumn fall colours. So now I'm going to take this colour here on my Morphe M412 brush. I'm going to focus that on the outer corners. And then I'm going to go back in with the crease shade just to blend everything together. Okay, now I'm going to take all those same colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. Obviously you could add some sparkle on your lid there, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it pretty much as it is. This is obviously a heavier fall makeup look as opposed to an everyday type one. But yeah, you can add some sparkle if you're going out to a party. So next I'm going to use my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. And before I finish off my eyes, I am now going to finish off the rest of my face. Okay, so for contouring, I'm going to use the NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe on my You Spicy 27 brush. For bronzer, I'm going to take the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer and I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush. Now for blush, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Le Blush in the shade Sandalwood Pink. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques Multitask brush. And then for highlight, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Colour Icon Bronzer Highlight in the shade Reserve Your Cabana on my Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35. Okay, now I'm going to spray my face with my Colourpop All Star Setting Spray. I don't like the spray on this. It's too aggressive, but it's still a good setting spray, so it's annoying. Okay, so now I'm going to use my NYX Slide On Eyeliner in Brown Perfection. Next, I'm going to use my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and then I'm going to apply my Lash Sensational mascara by Maybelline. Okay, now finally for lips, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colour Sensational matte lipstick in the shade 930 Nude Embrace. Now that completes this video. This is my fall makeup tutorial. It is quite a heavy makeup look for me. Normally on my channel I do much less heavy makeup looks, but I thought I'd go all out this year for fall, and sometimes I do like to wear my makeup like this if I'm going somewhere or if it's a special occasion like a party or something. And I think that these colours are just spot on for fall. Like, everybody loves to wear oranges and browns and warm neutral colours like this around this time of year. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!